Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from techforall. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to find out the Windows 11 product key. These methods will also work in Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Before we start the video, please subscribe to support our channel. Now let's start. The first method that I will use to find out the product key is using a CMD command. First of all, open Start menu and type CMD. Run the CMD as administrator. In the user account control, click on Yes button. Now type this command. I have put on the command in the video description. Copy it and paste it in CMD. Now press enter from your keyboard. As you can see guys, that it shows my product key. Now let's jump to the second method. The second method is finding the Windows 11 product key through registry editor. Let me close the CMD. Now open run and type registry editor. Run it as administrator. In the user account control, click on yes. Navigate to ℏ_key local machine, then software, and then scroll down until you find Microsoft. Now scroll down to Windows. Expand the Windows NT folder. Expand the current version. Now look for Software Protection Platform folder. As you can see guys, that in the backup product key default, it shows me my Windows 11 product key. Now let's jump to the third method. First, let me close this registry editor. For the third method, we will be using an application by the name of 𝒏𝒂𝒏+. As I'm using Windows 11, I will download it from Microsoft Store. But if you can't find it in the Microsoft Store, Google it. Open Microsoft Store and search for 𝒏𝒂𝒏+. This is the application that we have been looking for. If you haven't downloaded the application, click on the download button and then install it. As I have already installed the application, I will directly open it. When the application is launched, it will show you the Windows product key. Now let's jump to the fourth method, which is using another third-party application by the name of Key Finder. First, let's close all these. I have already downloaded the application and I have put down link of the 𝒏𝒂𝒏+ application and also the download link for this application in the video description. You can download it from there. After you have downloaded the application, right click on it and run it as administrator. In the user account control, click on yes. Here, as you can see guys, in the CD key, it shows me my Windows 11 product key. Point to be noted that this software is very strong software and it also shows the product key for other softwares. I have already installed Ultra ISO and Internet Download Manager. It shows the key for other softwares too. Now let's jump to the final and fifth method, which is using a script. First, let me close this application. I have already put down the download link of the script in the video description. Download it and then open it. As you can see guys, that the script is currently in Notepad. Let's change the extension of the file. If your computer doesn't show the extension of a file, simply click on View, click on Show, and click on this option, File Name Extensions, enable it. Now let's rename this application. We will change the txt to VBS and press enter from your keyboard. It says that if you rename the extension, the file will become unusable. That's okay. We know what we are doing. Click on yes. Now all you need to do is simply double click on this script and it will show you the Windows 11 product key. Here, as you can see guys, that this is the Windows 11 product key. And that's all for today guys. I hope that one of these methods work for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.